What is up, guys? Today we have a brief unboxing and review of the Galaxy Fold 7 case. It's actually a carbon shield case. Let's try it out on my Galaxy S Fold 7. And this official case from Samsung costs around $80 and it's made in China. What you've got inside is actually the protective film and case itself, so it's quite reasonable setup, let's say. Actually, even a lot of paper. And what you have, firstly, it's the instruction and guide how to do it, and two protective films. So that's only one here, one already used, it's already installed. That's actually how it looks like. It's what I don't like is this hole on the camera. All the others actually it looks good. And this case itself also have the special tool to attach it to your phone, so it's also quite convenient. You just input it here, fix it in this frame, as you see, and you can easily put this film precisely, let's say. So quite convenient to have the things. And one more paper, that's it. Actually, okay, no, that's not it. I also have this box here, so many things you have. So you have this plastic stuff to roll your protection. Also you have just this soft cover and dust removal stickers. And finally you have the case itself. So that's how it looks like. The carbon case here, really light and looks really nice. As you see, it's actually quite designed by Samsung, made in China, really thin, made of carbon, how they call it. So feels like plastic, but high quality one. Really thin. So let's clean it first, because I used it before. Let's clean it before installing. Actually, there is some dust, so I don't want to keep this dust on your phone. Okay, now let's clean the phone and let's finally install it. Okay, actually pretty simple to install. Okay, fixed, that's it. Actually, that's how it looks like on a phone. When you open, it's not really messing with you, so you feel like you don't actually have it. That's how it looks from the back. So still quite nice with the protection film and Samsung logo on it. Cameras are also protected. And when it's closed, actually it looks like regular phone and pretty nice and reliable. Feel also good, and I think it's only disadvantage it doesn't have MagSafe. All the other things is good, and you can just stick your own MagSafe here to use it. Actually, that's pretty much it for today. Thank you for watching. Put the thumbs up and see you next time.